Hi everyone. In this video, we will talk about the HTML program and the topic will be hyperlinks. So first of all, what is hyperlinks? I think all of you are using internet. Whenever you search anything on Google, what you see? You get some links that are in blue color with underline. That links are called hyperlinks. Okay. And they are used to navigate from one web page to another and so on. Okay, so a hyperlink will be used to move from one page to another, or you can say to join one or more pages, HTML pages, or you can say web pages. Okay, so how to create it, we will talk about this here. So this is my structure of HTML program. Okay, here in the title I am writing use of HTML hyperlink. You can write anything of your choice. In this body, you have to write this line ahref equal to double comma along with shift. Okay, now here you have to copy that path of the document, or you can say the web page that you want to create hyperlink. So here I have this heading, bold, font, assignment, BG, background. These are my already created web pages. So I want to link this bold page. So I have to open it, and from here, look, this is my web page. I have to click here, Control C, or you can say copy. You can do it by using your right click also using this. Okay, now close it. Again move to your notepad and here Control V, paste. Okay, this is the address of that file that I want to create hyperlink. Okay, now double comma close and this angular bracket close. Now after this, what you have to write, the text that you want to display on the page to create link. You can write anything of your choice. I am showing, click here to go to, what is the name of that document? This bold.html. So I am simply writing bold. You can write anything here of your choice, that depends on you. Okay, and after this a tag close. This is the line, or you can say this is the command to create hyperlink. The most important thing is here after this ahref in double comma you have to copy the path, and after this bracket you can write anything of your choice. Save it, click on file, save. Here I am giving the name hyper, only hyper .html. Okay, and I'm saving it, this page also on desktop. Okay, now save it, minimize. I'm not closing it, minimizing it. Now you can see nothing is opened here. So first I'm opening this hyper, the page that I have created right now. Double click. Now look, this is my page, nothing is coming, just click here to go to bold. Now as you take your mouse pointer on this, look at the pointer properly. This is my pointer, and look, this is simple and this is handshake, means this is a link. Now as I click on this, look, nothing is opened here except this page. Okay, as I click on this, look, this is the link. Again I am closing this. Now look, both are closed, nothing is opened here. Now again first of all I am opening this hyper, and as I click on this, again it will open. This is called hyperlink. Your internet is totally based on this concept. Okay, I am showing you one more how to create. So here again I am doing this ahref equal to double comma. Now this time I want to make that hyperlink of this assignment. So double click on this. Now click here, Control C, close, open this notepad, Control V, double comma close and bracket close. Now simply I'm writing click here, okay, and A close. Okay, now again I'm opening this hyper, click here to go to bold. This is one link and this click here is another link. They both are coming in a single line. Now if I click on this, this page will open. Okay, and again if I click on this second one, this one, so new page will open. Look, they both are different. Now if you say I want to display these both in different line, so after this A here you have to use what? BR. Okay, now again Control S to save. Now if you open it again, here you will get, look, this is the first link and this one is second. Okay, so you can create any number of links in your HTML page. That depends on you. Basically there are two types of link, internal and external. This is the example of external. This is most important. Internal is used sometimes only to create links between, or you can say links in the same page. Okay, that is not a much important, but we will talk about this in later videos. Okay, so if you like the video, please share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.